everyone, welcome to class. And I'm wearing my backwards sign again. The reason I'm doing that is the videos that you're about to see were all filmed on TikTok where everything is reversed, and I didn't want to keep pressing the reverse button, and I want to make sure that you guys watch this little documentary. It is only 7 minutes long. Today we're going to be looking at those videos that I filmed over on TikTok. I am trying to save animals. I'm trying to get the word out to as many people as possible. If you like the work that I do here, press the subscribe button, the notification bell. Help me get the animals out of hell. Now let's go and get to work.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo, mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle, yeah, that's the way to go. Oh, ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Hi there. You're asking me when I became vegan. My answer to that is not soon enough. June 27th, 2016. That's the day when I finally decided to stop paying for the rape, the torture, the sadness, the confinement, the betrayal, and the murder of innocent animals who never did a single thing wrong to me ever. It was way too long I waited. Before that, I was vegetarian for many years, thinking I was doing good, but I was still eating double the cheese and still eating double the eggs, so it made no difference. I was lying to myself. I wasn't listening to what vegans were saying. I was basically like most of you. So I get it. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You got to get the message into your head and into your heart, but you're in the right place to start.
No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not.
Hi there. I have to say, I agree with both of your statements. Not everyone that's vegan wants to promote it. You're right. And I can't force people to be vegan who don't want to be vegan. You're absolutely right about that. So we agree. However, where we differ is that I think that everyone has an obligation on this earth to do the right thing because of all of the incredible privileges that they have. Hurting others on purpose is absolutely horrific. I mean, we already do it by accident. Just riding my bike, maybe I ran over an ant without meaning to. But the fact that so many humans do it on purpose, pay people to hurt animals, pay people to rip off their skin and their flesh and steal their milk and their eggs and their babies, this is abhorrent and must stop, in my opinion. I think that's the tax we should have to pay to live on Earth, to be kind. Thank you for being here on my channel and for commenting. You wrote that a family member of yours works in a slaughterhouse. I want to remind you that you were born vegan. When you were born, regardless of what your parents did, the fact is that you came into this world and you did not hurt animals and you did not want to hurt animals from the time that you were really little. And whatever your parents put into your mouth, and you opened your mouth and accepted, was not your fault. You didn't know better. Now that you do, you can choose to do better. And if you still don't know why, go and watch this documentary, don'twatch.org. It's only 7 minutes long. And tell me, as you watch it and you see these many different animals, if you feel any empathy. And if you do, then go back to your roots and be vegan from now on.
We're coming out of the closet today. We're proud to announce we were born this way. We don't need no conversion therapy. We just need to live our ethical vegan lives openly. not too happy that our palates were raped when we were young and you shoved death on our plates. If we'd have known the violence this came from, we'd have said, no way I'm consenting to that, 'cause I know right from wrong. Happy Vegan Pride Day. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Thanks for the parade and for supporting us this way. Be kind, be vegan. Thanks so much for the hugs and gifts. We love the veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and tofu. We love the party music and that you're all becoming vegan too. You're gonna help us save the animals and the planet. Happy Vegan Pride Day to me and you.
Hi there. Well, of course, part of your comment is not very helpful and it's a little bit cruel, but I don't take it personally. But let's focus on the part that I agree with you on. You mentioned that another person's comment was vegan phobic, and I want to thank you for that. I'm happy that you know what the word means, and I'm happy that you are able to identify it, because a big part of why I am here on this app is to teach people what vegan phobia is and what somebody who is vegan fantastic is. Now, in this case today, you exhibited behaviors of a vegan fantastic person because you stood up for the animal rights defender. Now, I know that you're still in the stage where you think that I suck, as you said, but I invite you to just forget about me personally and just do what I asked you to do, which is go and look at this video to really understand why I'm here. It's only 7 minutes long, and then just come back and let me know what you thought of it. Thanks.
It is the position of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics that an appropriately planned vegan diet is healthful for all stages of life, including pregnancy, lactation, infancy, adolescence, older adulthood, and for athletes. You can be vegan. Plant-based diets are more environmentally sustainable than diets rich in animal products because they use fewer natural resources. If you care about the future of the planet and keeping it livable for future generations, it's time to stop consuming meat, dairy, and eggs. You can be vegan. People all around the world are vegan. You don't need to eat meat, dairy, or eggs. Vegan foods are not more expensive. You can buy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in bulk. You can live a long, happy, healthy life without being cruel. So why pay for murder if you don't have to? You can be vegan. Thank you for listening to this melody. Now you know you can be vegan. You'll feel great, you will see. Thank you for listening to this song. If you liked it, click the like button and sing along. Check the ingredients, do it right away. If it's not vegan, back the fuck away. Don't buy any eggs, any dairy, or any meat. Instead, go grab something vegan when you're thirsty or when you want to eat.
Bella, Bella, I really love you. I'll never eat your friends or anyone who goes poo. Bella, Bella, I really love you. Yes, I really, really do. Ooh. You're asking me if it's okay to hurt others? You're asking me if it's okay to pay somebody to slit an animal's throat? You're asking me if it's okay to kick a cat or a dog? Or stab a pig? Like, are you serious right now? You're asking me if it's okay to steal milk from baby cows?
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Hey there! Thanks for commenting, and thanks for being vegan. That's amazing. But now I have a question for you. What's stopping you from doing activism on your channel? I mean, I went to check your profile and I don't even see any vegan videos at all. I mean, it's so easy. Look, if you don't know what to do, just click on one of my sounds. There's over 150 of them. You just find them by going to That Vegan Teacher, Miss KADIE, and then you just film whatever you're eating. You know, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds. Film yourself shopping and just put it up there. Just throw a couple of stickers on there if you want to. But I mean, look how I did this video. I literally just filmed myself riding my bike and I'm just talking at the same time. You can do so much activism on this app. I really encourage you to do so. I'll look at your site again and see what you come up with. Okay? You got this. You can do it. Kale chips? Absolutely. Kale chips are high in fiber, in antioxidants and calcium, in vitamins A, B, and C, and potassium. Kale chips are high in fiber, in antioxidants and calcium. Kale chips are high in vitamins A, B, and C, and potassium. So you should get them in your tum. That means tummy. But yeah, eat kale chips. Way to go.
The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, we will rise to protect them. The most innocent. Amen. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, you know it in your heart, and you know where to start. We will be better. We will be vegan.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you all for being here. If you haven't subscribed to my newest TikTok account, it's called Songs by That Vegan Teacher. It's all one word. There's no dots or anything. Songs by That Vegan Teacher. And if you subscribe today, I'm going to be following the first 100 people who subscribe to me there. So hopefully that will be you. Songs by That Vegan Teacher. I'll see you all soon in the next video, which will be tomorrow because I post every day over here on YouTube. See you there. Bye.
Let's follow that vegan